fishing.
Good morning from the south coast of New South Wales. I hope everyone's doing well. It's the Malu hunter here with Mini Malu.
Mama dear.
And we're trying to get ourselves some fish. This is cast number 2. We're hoping we can get a fish or two. Yeah, cast number 2. Second bait, sun's just coming out. Hopefully the fish waking up about now. Yeah, we got him. Okay, we're on. There's no beast. Certainly no beast, but we got a fish. Boy, there he goes.
I see him.
Just a little guy. Just another little guy. This beach, yesterday and today, is producing some small salmon. Nothing of any size. We'll get this guy off and get him back in.
Can I put him in? Can I put him in, Daddy?
Look! He's just a little guy. There you go. Gently put him down. That's not putting him in the water. Go and get him, quick. Big wave. Number 3. Got a couple of small fish, but nothing massive. Oh, that's better.
That's a bigger one.
That's much better.
It's a rainbow trout.
Okay, stand back.
Is that a rainbow trout?
Watch the water, Uncle. Watch the water.
Oh, my drawing! It got...
Your drawing got washed away. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah,
That must be high 40s.
I was putting bigger pieces, cutting it in half.
No, smaller, smaller. Getting a little nibble here. Oh, we might be on already. Yeah, we got one. A little one again. Oh, those waves are going mental. Ah, come on. Ah. He came off. He came off, stand back. Get back. Whoa, that's a big one. No, salmon. The last guy was a bit lucky, but also he was too small, so self-release wasn't a bad thing. What's this, cast 5 or 6? Pretty nice morning, barely a breeze out here. The ocean's just become really, really choppy. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we just got to be a little careful. Gee, this rod's lovely. Absolutely fantastic. So easy to cast. Got some other fishermen with us now as well. They got one just before. Oh, I really wish we could get a bigger salmon. There's a few salmon on this beach, but yesterday afternoon and now this morning, they're all sort of, well, the max I think we've got's around the 40s. Maybe high 40s. Nothing big, thick and long.
We have a fish.
Are you sure? Alright, let's have a look. I wasn't watching. Jakey just seen the rod. Let's see. Are you sure it's a fish or is it weed? Let's have a look. Oh no, I think he just came off. The hook just came out. I could feel it drop. Oh no, that's alright, we'll go again.
I saw him mowing. I saw it mowing.
Yeah. I think he was a bigger guy too. Oh well, let's go again. Alright, we're on again. Didn't get the hook up, but nah, he's small again.
Check if he has spikes.
They all have spikes, the same spikes. You're gonna do it on me? You? Alright. Let me get him off first. We're back at accommodation. Got a couple to eat, some fish and chips for lunch. Not an overly productive session and nothing that big out there, unfortunately. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's the Malu Hunter, and I'll see you next time.